If you have not worked out in a long time, if you're an absolute beginner in the area of home workouts, then this video is for you. I have created this video keeping in mind the fact that your muscles won't be ready for the grind. So I'll help you get those muscles warmed up. Once done, I'll show you some very basic muscle toning exercises followed by a cool down. So stay tuned and let's get started. We'll start this beginner workout with some warm-up to get your body into the groove. The first exercise as part of the warm-up is arm rotations. For this exercise, you need to rotate your arms in the clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. This exercise gets the blood flowing to your shoulders and the arms. Do 10 repetitions in both the directions. The second warm-up exercise is spot running. For this exercise, you need to stand on the spot and gradually move your legs up and down, mimicking a run. This is a great exercise to get the blood flowing in your whole body. Do 30 seconds of spot running. The third exercise is calf raises, where you need to stand in position and raise your calves to warm them up. Do 15 calf raises before moving on. The fourth exercise is leg swings. If your balance is good, then just stand at your place and swing your leg just like I'm doing in the video. If your balance isn't that great, then take the support of a wall to do the swings. This exercise is great for increasing the mobility of your leg muscles. Do 10 reps for each leg. Once the warm-up is done, we'll move on to the main workout. The first exercise is the wall push-up, where you need to stand with your hands on the wall, shoulder width apart at the chest level, and you need to stand in an inclined position. This exercise is great for toning the chest muscles. Follow the form shown in the video and do 15 reps. The second exercise is knee push-ups. This exercise will help in building up the arms, chest and core strength before you graduate to the full push-up. For this exercise, get into the push-up position with your arms a little more than shoulder width apart and at the chest level. Then drop your knees to the ground and come down slowly. You'll feel the pressure in your arms and chest muscles. Do 12 to 15 reps for the knee push-ups. The third exercise is the squat. This is the most basic exercise to tone the quads, glutes and hamstrings. Keep your feet a little more than shoulder width apart and come down by hinging on your hips. When you come up, push through the heel and squeeze your hips. Do 12 to 15 reps for maximum impact. The next exercise is the lunge. Another great exercise to work out the leg muscles, precisely the hamstrings. Follow the form shown in the video and take it slowly. Do 10 reps for each leg. The high plank hold is an amazing exercise for beginners to build core muscles. For this exercise, get into the high plank position and try and hold it for 30 seconds. The next exercise is bird dog, which is great for the whole body movement and for building stability. For this exercise, get into the beast position and stretch out your left hand and right leg and vice versa. This exercise will impact your core, glutes and the arms to an extent. Do 10 reps for each side. And the final exercise in the main workout is the cycle kick. For this, you need to lie down on your back with your arms behind your head and then you need to alternatingly kick in the air. This exercise is great for the abs. Do 10 reps for each leg. Repeat these 7 exercises 3 times, one after the other with moderate intensity. Once the main workout is done, we'll move on to the cool down. The first exercise as part of the cool down is the quad stretch, where you need to stand and stretch your quad muscles for 15 seconds on each leg. This stretch helps with more blood flow to your quad muscles, increasing flexibility in the process. Similar to the quad stretch, the hamstring stretch helps stretch the hamstring muscles for better flexibility and decreased muscle soreness. Follow the form shown in the video and stretch each leg for at least 15 seconds. A simple yet effective exercise to stretch the arms, precisely the triceps, is the tricep stretch. This exercise helps with blood flow to the triceps and improves the flexibility of the muscles. Stretch both the arms for 15 seconds. The last exercise is the pec stretch. For this, take your hands behind your back and hold them together while pulling them down. This exercise stretches the chest muscles, also called pectoral muscles. Stretch for at least 15 seconds. If you've tried these exercises at home and enjoyed it, do let us know in the comment section. Till then, keep watching Melt Your Cheese and I'll see you in the next video.